die.
Don't
We're gonna die.
Who the fuck? Who the fuck is this shit? Oh my god, tagana kaysa kung butang po de. Uy, my god. Wala pa po
Oh my
naman
God.
na. Oh,
Warning.
wait lang ha,
What in
wait
the
lang.
world? Wait lang daw.
Wait,
Okay,
wait.
mother.
Don't
Okay.
move a muscle, guys.
Oh, okay, wait lang kay panas ako kanang paplastara sa ko kay murag gubot kay ko.
What are we supposed to do?
wait.
Okay. Just
Wait.
say na to stay put. You have to stay still or something.
Stay still for a minute, bitch. Oh,
Yeah, we
shit.
are, bitch.
Oh shit.
Oh my God, we're just
Not good.
exploring
We
stuff.
just need you to look around.
I need to find my parents.
I need to
Oh,
find my parents quick.
somebody
I'm
got.
dead. Are you guys home? No, you
Somebody
guys are
got-
doing bomba, yeah.
Ala, niuyog ko ng balay.
Uh,
Guys, alin mo sa taas.
Yawa.
Di na ako ni makaya.
The key is locked. Okay. Girl, you are the guardian angel. You go first.
Nah,
Go!
hell nah. I saw things.
let's go. Alright. Oh my god.
Dili ko ka-sprint.
God.
Hello, girl.
Oh, wow.
Eh.
You saw that?
I saw a fit.
Bro,
For
pull
free.
the Sayuri.
Kita ko fit for
Mom, where are
free.
you? Asa po? Girls! Bili manguan. Oh my god, namilin
We're
sila.
upstairs, bro. Girl, we're upstairs. You dumb bitch.
Nami sa
Stairs.
taas,
Okay.
bakla.
Hi, I'm back. Oh shit.
Guys,
Asa
you
man ta?
guys, you guys need to find something.
Kana bitong kay kuan ni Eli bitaw no kay mura bitaw unsa tawag na ha na biblically accurate
Dai,
angel.
Seraphim man ni Dai.
Like, Archangel. It's a seraphim ho.
Di ba? Paunhan na si Kuan, oh. Adopted.
Oh, I found a key.
Where's the full key?
Pag sprint,
Okay.
Hindi ta maka-sprint diri yot.
We can.
dito ka sprint diri gyud.
Hello, free shower, guys. Guys, we have free shower. Everyone
Nah.
wanna shower?
Oy ki, oy bayot diri nakitan makalimong ki.
Nai full key.
Kabalo po yot. Si Kuan, si Eli pa una ha.
Oh my
Eli, the
God.
guardian angel, will go there.
No way.
So if we die,
Tapos ganay ta
if
guardian
we
angel.
die, we have the
Oh my god, let's go.
Uy, bakla,
Oh
nakagawas
shit.
na mi.
Oh shit.
Pagunsa mata
Ano,
diri
gawas na?
maligo.
Oh my god, what's in the tunnel sis?
Uy, maligo ta.
You see, we have a free shower.
Tanaw galuto gitas ay gatindog gitas tubig. It's giving.
It's giving. I'm fucking Jesus. Oh wait, what?
Girl. Tam naog ta sa
Girl.
ubos.
Okay.
I'm a pamilya! Baka die!
Uy, we need K2.
Coming.
Who wants the key? I have the key.
K2?
K1 na. I think K1 imong gikuha.
What?
Bakla,
Oh,
we
K1
shit,
man
we
imong
did.
gikuha.
We did. Then what is the K1 do?
Ay man giable
Kani
ni
sa-
Eli kinakakuha mo tag
sa garage na day oy. Useless kayo, what the hell?
Tip,
What
read notes and equip items.
Okay.
Oh. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Ayaw mo pa nga
Who did
to.
that?
Girling, abor ako girl, what the fuck?
Wala na ako sa
Woo! Guys, I'm here.
Miss Toller.
You see this? Time is running out. But
Oh my god, where's the key? What the fuck?
Where you guys
in
at?
my coochie.
Berg nasa taas. I think matutog taas.
Okay.
Ako man the main character ron.
Okay.
There's a doll.
I don't see a
Naku,
thing.
pwede mo-click ako. Si as if.
Uy, man mo.
Girl,
Nako
ako
sa taas. I don't know.
Okay.
Nangita ko key. And wala ko progress.
Unsa na key?
Kito. No, mangita tag kito.
Key 2?
Yeah,
Oh, mangita
Oh,
tagkito.
Toki. Sino naglalaro dito ng kuan Among Us?
Akiwan man ni.
Mongra ko.
Akiwan man to.
In
Okay.
case you-
Hello, uy, asa man
Oh
kito,
my
ah?
God! Eli! Eli,
Yes.
ali, sagod sa
Face
CR
out.
sa taas. CR sa taas, girl. CR sa taas,
See?
girl.
Magunsa
Face
ta.
out.
Ali sa
Magunsa ta.
CR sa taas, girl.
Ayaw.
Girl, ali sa girl.
Magunsa ta.
Eli,
Hala, mag-ritual ta diri.
you slip the bar of the soap. Grab.
Miss Girl.
What are you two doing, bro?
Y'all is so disgusting. Oh my god. I'm leaving here. It's stank. It's stank in here. I'm leaving.
Ew, green aura with fly.
Oh, we members! We members in my room. Oh my God. Among Us. I love you, members. I love you, members.
Sorry, my bad.
Members. Huh? Loki forgot where everything is.
Same. Char, wagi po kadulani. Girl, mangit. Asa man kito ani? What the hell? What if nasa gawas?
What if, guys? What
Nasa
in
garage.
the one thing?
Nasa garage. Wait lang.
Ah.
Uy, basing na adiri bayit.
Wait lang. Nasa garage. Tapos look at the fucking car.
Sure, uy.
Wala! Diri sa garage.
So for useless.
Oh.
You guys are bitches.
Uy, giagian na to ninyo
Wala
tong
nila lagi.
kuan. Katong naay mga clock. Dagan king clock.
Biana,
Yes.
Biana. Budha.
Dari?
Uy, what if ba na siya sa asshole sa kuwan? Oh, a ramen. Wanna eat ramen?
Uy, asa man kito ani.
Pero you bitches as fuck.
Mga na lang tabi.
Isa makabasaan ng note.
Y'all heard that?
Ellie, come here, good.
Okay. Kana?
Kasi makabasa ni.
Ahem. Hey son, we went to your school for parent-teacher conference if you're hungry. I left your favorite ramen noodles on the counter. We'll be home soon. You know your father can't walk long distances. He's getting old, his legs aren't supporting him like they used to. Not to mention he's been having a cold lately. When we're home, you should check up on him. Love, Mother. Notes naman
So
na,
there's
day?
no hint.
Yeah, wala. It's so useless.
O, diyan sila pagbasa sa kwan. Diyan sila pagbasa.
Girl, unequip.
I-unequip ni mo yung hang stuff.
Yeah.
Pwede rin ko kakuan yan. I'm on mobile.
O, ito yan, equip.
Ang kandila
Your
ba?
things, bro!
Kandila ni mo.
Bitch.
What? How?
Kandila ni mo. I-unequip
Ha?
your candle.
O, ito, nag-laptop. Nag-laptop ko, girl. Ang sound, girl.
Toplo kang F bayit.
F, kuha ng F. O, man na.
Yun na yun, nag-unequip na ka.
Ay, ang G.
Buckler.
Okay.
Wajud ko kita sa Kito ay. Oh my god, finally.
Where you found it? Stuff, where you found it?
Asa na nakitaan?
Ang key.
Okay, kasi maguna.
Nakitaan?
Girl, where did you find it?
Asa nakitaan?
Let her type, bitch.
Oh.
Kasi
Oh,
maguna.
shit. Not good. Not good. Let's go.
What? What happened? Oh!
What happened?
Steph.
What the fuck was that?
Oh my god, there's a Silos Marchie! Oh my god! There's a Silos merch. Fuck.
Where? Girl, where?
K3.
K3 na po.
E3 ba?
Silos, oh!
Case.
Saluyo na that's Silos.
Where?
8 foot tall man with a big dick.
Oh my god. Y'all, let's go here.
Yes.
Oh my god.
What the? Oh, mommy!
Oh my god!
Oh
I
my
clap you,
god.
Oh my
chicken.
god, she kinda hot.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
What the
What
hell?
the fuck? Hello, she disappeared.
Anak Kitri, Kitri,
She
nalang
flew
Kitri.
up.
Let's run guys, let's
Ah,
run.
angel.
Ano si Avery? Wag na lagi siya. Don't una-una ba? Ayaw parehas ni Alone.
Ralph, don't go first daw.
Kisay mag-una.
Oh shit. Not good. Not good.
Okay, ikaw una din. Ikaw una.
Okay,
Oh shit, not good.
we're right behind you, girl.
Girl, I
Sige,
can't
ikaw una.
see.
Girl,
Sige,
ningit
ikaw
git
una.
girl, girl, ningit.
I can't see.
Uy, kamo
Girl, I
na
can't see.
gago.
I can't see. Just to see.
Kabla
Fuck.
ka,
Yeah, go, go lead.
nara ko sa inyo likod.
Dili na ko makita. Dahilan lang sa akong flashlight. Dili mo on.
Bayit, ngit-ngit ka ayo.
Git kay kuha.
Eh, what the hell?
No,
dog?
not me though.
Ay,
Ngit
Jesus.
ka. Ah!
Ay,
So,
Jesus.
what the fuck?
Ala, binabot na tag-impyerno.
Yan! Ichili! Saan niya? Arigato! Oh my god, there's another silence! It's Caleb! Oh god!
Hala, kato naman yung
Oh
mga
god, it's
statue.
Caleb! Shit!
Day,
We're
delete ta.
same size, bitch!
Day, delete ta ka
Girl,
shift,
she
day.
got a good gadong gadong.
Girl, you big ass wings. I can't see anything.
Oh my god, it's fucking silence!
Hala, girl, what if malihok
It's
si
silence!
sila?
Girl, your ass is
Balihok
blocking
na
my
bayot.
way.
Balihok siya.
Hurry up,
Bayot,
ho.
balihok sila bayot.
Hala, B, what if malihok, Jude?
Bahala mo dira, uy.
Nilihok man sila.
Guys, don't jinx it, please. Don't jinx it. Ako rin ulahi. I'm the one behind y'all. I'm gonna fucking kill y'all. Hindi na ba taka sprint, uy?
Nigilit
Oh
ako.
my god! Ala, ala!
Blocking my goddamn way.
Y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw that.
Avery!
All I see is a big ass man.
Avery! Avery! Oh shit!
What happened?
What the fuck? I died! I died!
Oh fuck! I
Girl.
died!
Oh my god, girl,
Oh
we
my
dead.
fuck!
Uy, B, di ko nakitaan.
Okay, nakita ko B!
What
Puros black!
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, Avery!
Wala ka, balik sa youth.
Hala, dili
Ano sila to pagkuhan nila?
Dili
Di ba
ta
taka
shift.
sprint?
Ano yun yung brad? Pa!
I can't freaking shift either.
Kasi dili siya ta makakuhan dyan ani. Avery, yun saan yung pag-sprint? Schmarkles. Girl, labi
He
ako sa
doesn't
yung...
understand.
Wait sa! Avery, wait! Don't run yet! I'm still here! I'm at the back! The very back! Wait, don't walk! Ellie! Don't walk yet! Ah!
Oh my god.
Oh, di ba? Deserve, bitch! I got clap your ass! You got clap!
Oh my.
Ay!
I hope
Meaning, ani,
timer.
dili ta magpaduol sa mga... Dili ta magpaduol sa mga mannequins.
Girl, they're like
Go
everywhere.
die because... Okay, dili ta magpaduol sa mannequins. It means...
You, that's logic.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, they're everywhere, but don't get close to them, motherfucker.
Tungo sa tree. That was funny.
Uy, gibiyaan ako ninyo.
Una na, mi. Lagi biyaan na to.
Happy.
Ellie, wait,
I'm
let's wait
happy.
for Ellie.
Wait, ang yan, kanay, isa ka buhok, Drio.
Girl,
Ay, putik.
Eh.
Uy, nang-invite
It's
si
tight.
wait,
Oh.
friend mo yun.
Nang-invite si Alon
Ha?
ako. Gusto siya mo-appeal.
Ayaw.
Gusto siya mo.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Oh my god.
It's a party pooper. Don't
No,
invite him.
he's a fooper.
Hala, ni balik lagi ta diri.
Alo? Dili, wala mo.
Nabira.
Wala mo.
Alam,
I'm
makashift.
getting
I'm
picture.
A friend, let's
Ina,
go!
nasa ko man this group
Wait
of
lang.
friends. Look,
Wait lang. Kaya akong music, wala akong music. Guys, wait lang guys, kaya wala akong
now I
music.
can sprint.
Nanata-
Wait lang daw, guys.
Wait!
Okay.
Wait.
Ay,
I'm
afro.
Di, wala akong hadlock kay dahilan wala akong music. Okay, let's go.
Wait lang, Day.
Huh?
Wait lang.
Why won't work? Okay.
Girl,
Wait.
move your
wait.
ass.
Da?
Ara.
Did
Let's
we die?
go.
Wulhopin.
No, wala. Nagkuhan ko ka ng... Nagkuhan ko sa...
I hear a
Ay, Jesus.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Jesus. Oh my God! Silence!
Oh my god, this place no!
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Green aura with fly. Namatay na ng mga langgam. Girl, nga nun balik mata diri.
Get
Okay.
subscribe to my fanpage. Look at that.
My ass. My ass. Shut my booty and my ass.
Why we back here?
Uy, mamiya lagi mo ay.
Shift, girl, shift.
I did it. Why not?
Find all case and
13 keys.
collect
Collect the butterfly spirit.
for the
Another
butterfly
bag.
spirit.
What in the big basket? Okay, so we
Oh,
have
dito
what is
interaction
this?
niya.
Wala, draw.
A girl,
Why
ha? Girl,
please?
habikuha niya ay bastos.
Ayaw.
I'm locking here.
Shit.
Wait, you heard that? Anyone heard that?
Girl, unsa man to?
Yeah, it's us.
Pwede
Anyone
mo-
heard that?
Yeah, yeah. Like murag heartbeat thingy.
Someone?
I'm scared.
Oh
I'm
shit.
scared.
I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
Hurry, girl.
I'm scared.
Girl, mo siya
Oh, I
heartbeat.
I'm
found another
scared.
butterfly. I found a butterfly.
We need
Okay,
like
grab it.
kailangan na lang
I
nato
did.
is 13 minus 2, 12.
11 bayot.
Girl, it's
Bayutak ko.
11.
Ay, 11. Kulangan na tag 11.
12 daw. Oh,
I heard
grabe
shit.
siya.
I heard the fucking shit.
Na, okay, we got that. I got one.
I saw
Girls,
that.
at least nakuan sa room. Dili sila makuan.
Jesus is good all the time, and God is always good.
I saw that.
Fuck. Fuck! I'm so dead.
I'm being chased.
Okay,
I'm
I
being
collected two. I collected two.
Okay, nice.
I collected three. I collected four day. Four na akong
I
nakolect.
collected one. Girl,
Yo.
I collected one.
Napana sa second
I
floor.
collected three. Nako sa second floor. Eli, dagan! Dagan, hit the fucking button!
Girl. Naara kong
Girl,
sunod,
if
okay
you
ra mo.
die, mubalik ka sa uno.
Girl! Ah! Just run for it, Ellie! Just run!
Wala, unong na yung nakitaan.
He's fucking quad! He's fucking playing me! What the fuck?
Girl, if I die, this is your fault.
Matukog second floor.
Naku, first floor. Is girl still with us?
Ay, Jesus, Jesus.
Oh, are you still with us?
I found one.
Nice.
Girl, are you okay?
Oh shit! Sa second floor.
Nako,
Ako
ako.
sa second floor. Kami ni adopted. Ay, Jesus!
Girl, he's with me.
Ay,
I
finaday.
heard shit. I heard shit. I heard shit.
Tago mo, guys.
Guys, maybe me.
It's so dark in here. Fucking.
Girl.
What in the Stampy?
Okay, mag-lock in ako,
Girls.
guys. Mag-lock in ako.
Why pencil?
Ako Guys.
True.
Oh shit! Nag-camping siya diri sa room. Dili ko kagawas.
Okay ra.
Ay, Lord Jesus.
Oh. Ah! Avery, that's a fucking monster! Okay, let's go.
Putik, putik.
Avery,
Tao sa kanya, oy, Rashag
Nadra?
Slenderman.
hi,
Shit,
Lollipops!
Kulang na lang tagupat, no?
you guys scared me.
Yes.
Yes,
Hi, girl!
Upat, right?
Kita
Silado.
Oh my god, we need K1.
na nakita ng kiwan ni Kuan.
Diri, diri,
Ni
diri.
Avery man.
Dito din ni diri. Follow me, follow me.
Naman,
Ay, litsugas.
I died. I died! I hate you so bad.
I so dead. I so died. Oh my god.
You finna
I
die.
died too, girl.
Girl! Steph, I'm gonna wait for you kanang...
Why?
I'm gonna wait for you. Na ako dre. Naka.
Sasa.
Naka sa floors? Ano naka ka ng second floor pa second pa ng stairs ba stairs?
No?
Good.
Ay, Sigma.
Wait.
Ano?
What if I'll find a key here in downstairs?
Walay key dre.
Sure ka?
Okay, double check, double check.
I don't know.
Double check.
What
I
if
don't
they
know.
na-adil sa kuwan o?
We should
But I
double
found a
check,
knife.
y'all.
There's a key.
Gihian ko
The
sa
monster
tiki, way
can
batasan.
So now?
Nilak in na jud ko, guys.
Yeah, karon pa. I hear some shit. What in the...
Motherfucker was guarding the fucking... Guarding the stairs. What the fuck? You fucking illiterate ass.
Hey, girl.
Wala mo kita
Hello,
kipa.
girly pop.
No twinks allowed. No twinks allowed.
What?
Girl!
In a key! I found a key one!
Asa na magamit?
Where's key
Hey,
one? I found key one.
Wait lang, dai.
Nabli na Avery man. Stairs, upstairs.
No, I don't think so.
One more.
Shit! That was fucking scary! Scary!
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma? I hate you, Deo, for doing that to me. I died.
What's up, man? I didn't do
I
anything.
died! I was following you, bro! And I died!
Didn't
Tawa,
do
nawala
shit.
ng K1. Shit! Ow.
Girl.
I didn't do shit.
Na-traumatize na ako.
Oy, nabadaw
Nakita na
ninyo ang
akong key.
K1.
Nakita na akong key 3.
Ha?
Nabadaw may
Nakita na akong
K1.
key 3.
I found the K1 but I died!
Asa,
It was on
girl?
first floor.
Where?
Nadiri, ali gani.
Key 2 and 3 are... Na. Okay. Ang key 1 kinasa first floor.
First floor, yes, where I fucking died!
Bitches!
Si Dio,
It's not here.
I think it's in here. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's in here, guys. I found it. It's in here. Where are you? I found it again.
Where?
Magkita ta.
Hi.
In the
Let's
French
see.
flag thingy.
As a French class,
Oh my god.
First floor and
I know where that is.
Huh?
how?
Where is it?
How can you distract the
Avery?
bouncer? Where
Ay,
should I
gago!
put?
Ah! Ah! Oh my god, Lord! Oh my god, Lord Jesus! Oh my god, Lord! Let me in, please!
Come here, oi!
Yawa!
It's in here, girl.
I'm here! I'm here!
Girl! I thought you was chasing me. What the fuck?
Ninggukod na ako.
Medyo ko siya
Kanina
say.
ra ko dari ay mayawa gid sila.
After dyan na ay. Fuck. Avery, I am right behind you.
You all heard that?
Nice.
Yes.
See, I did that. I did
Yes!
that. Everyone, you see
Yes!
that? Yeah, I
Yes!
Didn't do shit.
did that.
Labi ka lang. Ano to?
Oh my god. It's my mother.
I ain't see a
Look
It's
at
my
thing.
mother.
stars.
It's katong nato bitong kuan kanang sito kana
Well,
if the giant lady comes here, I'm gonna clap her so hard she may be pregnant.
Girl,
girl.
girl,
Yes.
girl.
Oh, lady up in the sky, won't see you quite some time.
Where are we going?
This is a
Girl,
fucking
dead end.
boulder.
Mami, okay ra mo? Ay, okay.
Ambot.
Okay ta sa stairs. Sorry, guys. Ay, Jesus.
Oh no.
Unsa man eh?
Oh my god, it's Demon Slayer then guys.
Oh
Slayer art.
no.
It's Demon Slayer art, guys. My god.
No, I remember this.
It's Katsiburi! Kakiguri, kakiguri, kakiguri!
Just in case. I feel like magamit
I
na to na.
found a spirit.
You saw a spirit?
I found a spirit. And where should I?
Basing sa statue na.
Ngit-ngita, uy!
Shit.
Asa naman mo?
What? Strange.
Di
She used
makatukuan dira diyo.
when I was little.
Girl, downstairs.
Ay, Jesus.
What the fuck?
Girl, if this
Girl,
is the
your wings is blocking the
if ang
Sorry
mao
na
ni
guys.
ang kanang taon si mong mama na well naggamay pa ka buang na yung mama ba?
Fina ko na mo jump scare dire.
Eh.
Hala, what the hell?
Whoa!
Girl, daganag tinai, uy.
Yawa.
Kay kuan. 2 4
Kasi
ay
stop and unequipped and yet I can't.
Never mind.
oh my god. Oh my god.
Someone got it.
Guys, what should I do with the spirit?
Eat it.
Ay, okay. What the fuck?
What the hell? Yo.
You saw that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Girl, run. We're gonna die. You're gonna die in the Dio.
Bye bitches. Bitches. Bye.
Bye,
Bye
all.
bitches. Bye. Bitches. Bye. Kuro. Last taas, girl. Girl, pa taas.
Miss Tola. Dire? Fake news.
It's slapping my face.
Mag-asa maning kuan, gamito ng Fuki.
The key.
What's the key?
What if dili diri sa us, kundi sa ubos?
Na food. Wait, I heard something.
Diri, guys, diri.
That's my fart.
Naman.
Oh fuck, my mother.
Again.
These things are starting to
Ew.
piece together.
Masyag kuan bitaw bubblegum nga ginat-inat.
Oh yeah.
Yawa.
Oh my god, it's my brother!
Oh my god, so many. Ay lord.
Bye.
Y'all, ay mo pa miya.
Do you get the fuck away?
Wala ka to maning kuan. Girl, ayon siya thing.
Locate 6 cursed items and burn them in a white flame. Ah! Wait! I remember this na!
Ngit-ngit kayo bayit. Ditsugas.
I found it! Cursed item. And we have to burn it in the flame.
Burn it, girl.
Yeah.
Pakita mo item, guys.
Nakikita ko sa flip.
Hello, what?
Nakikita ko them.
Ay, Jesus. Me dead. I dead.
I fucking died.
Girl, kitang duha
Hi,
to,
girl.
girl.
Namatay ta do.
Napa ni mong item?
Nula!
Napa ni
I-burn
kong
na
ginato.
nato. Ligawa. Daoy! Nakita ko item, oy.
So
Wala
far
ko
sayang.
na-burn.
Ngit-ngit kaayo, Jude.
Guys, where are you? Kakita mo item?
Ako
Isa.
ang dua ka items.
Burn,
Kuan
die,
na,
burn.
burn. Burn, baby, burn.
Burn, baby, burn. Wala lagi to ay. Sayang kayo.
Chit 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 chit. Chit 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 fuck Mami Uni.
Are you guys okay?
I keep dying. I keep dying. Dapat girl man bubble gun.
Sayang kay girl, duha ka buka kong nakitaan girl. Burned ka ng objects
Lagi
girl.
ayaw lagi pakuan makabalo mo ka naka-remember ka mo to gitong kuha.
Okay, I got 2 items.
Ha?
Girl, ayaw mo pamatay ba kay makabalo na sila bitaw. Kung makakuha ka
Oh my God,
item.
girl. I got 2 items.
Diri, burn it.
Yes.
Girl. Hadlok kay girl kay ako rin isa.
Oh my god, na-burn na.
Nice.
Duha na lang,
Okay,
duha.
mangita na punta. Gani.
Ha? So wala mo kakuha sa kung nakuha na burn items?
Oh my god. Yes.
Ay, Jesus,
Oh my
Lord,
God,
gigukod ko.
He is with me, guys. If I die, that means goodbye. Oh my god.
Ako may gigukod din man kamo.
Ay,
Okay,
litsugas.
sana ipatag na
Oh my God.
Tapos na. You're nakapagod niya. Ay! What?
Okay, I'm dead. Duha na lang kulang.
Duha.
Nakita
Pagkabanha
ko
ko kung
ganiha, guys.
kita mag item.
Namatay noon ko.
Si Avery, what Avery is doing?
Bro is plotting. Man to, uy. Sayang kayo.
Dool kay sa kuan, dool kayo.
I think ang
Basta.
kanang butterfly kay Hin.
Dili
Oh,
ka nang
siya.
kanang objects ba na dool ka ang scarce object kay dool kay silang duha ka buok dool kaayo.
Mana ako nang
Gikuha to
gikuha.
ninyo?
Ya ako nang gikuha. Which is
Gikuha
ako
naman
nasunog.
siguro.
Ako yung gakwa to.
Fuck, she's
Wala,
still
B,
chasing me.
wala, B.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I saw it.
Bitch. Bitch.
Narako,
Stop chasing me, motherfucker. I got no com.
narako si Milikod, Steph.
I got no com.
We finna die.
It's so dark.
Exactly. I can't see. Girl,
So
second,
that-
girl,
oh my
second. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Are you died? Are
I
you died?
died. I died. Girl, fuck you so much. Girl, why did you do that?
Oh my god, girl, I didn't even notice.
Girl, why did
Hi,
you do
girl. Hi, girly pops.
Oh my god, let's go, y'all. Ala, isa na lang ka-item. Ay, Jesus.
Ugali.
Uy!
Ito, yung item ganina. Ay, matay mo.
Namatay. Namatay ang tulo.
Ito na lang, uy.
Isa na lang dito. Kamay ng utong na lang,
Namatay
guys.
po ko. Ikaw, manggut. Yahat.
Sigdungan, bito tagpatay, tay. Oh my god, y'all. Isa na lang, Jude.
Nasa kilid ang last.
What's the sound?
Pinakilid to na last, guys. I was chased and then I died.
Isa na lang, Jude. Oh my god, let's keep searching. Pero like, ngit-ngit kayo. Grabe, Diyos ko, Lord.
Where's the cursed item? Can we hide in the
Oh.
bush?
Nakita
I
ko,
think we
nakita
can
na ko,
hide in the
nakita na
bush.
ko, nakita na ko. Let's go!
Nice.
Go, Dio. Ato sa burn.
Kuala lang kita, Eli. Mamatay ko, Eli ba?
Magani.
Eli, kuala lang.
Nara ko diri. Kung mamatay ka, mabalik naman na diri. Gabe, i-burn.
Balik na.
Hurry!
Balik!
Yo. Ay, Lord Jesus.
I died,
Lord
the
Jesus.
fuck?
Lord Jesus.
You died?
Stop! Stop! Dagan! Oh my god! Oh my god! Someone has to
I hate you
distract.
so much. Oh my god, I died again.
Naan akong
You
last
keep doing
item.
that to me.
Naan akong last
Nani
item.
mo?
Naan ako. Don't worry.
Oh, nice, salamat.
Giver na ako,
Thank
giver
you.
na ako,
My
giver na
45
ako.
is not in
Yes! Yes! Giver na ako!
My sacrifice is what?
Yes! Wow.
Great grandfather. The reason why the
Wait,
witch
his-
was targeting you
he's
this whole
kinda-
time was because of the
he's
Gila
kinda,
Bailon.
ano,
Your grandfather.
He's kinda, you know,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Just like it's planned, you go for it. The witch turned both of us into her servants, but you are special. The curse has not affected you in yet. So,
We're special daw.
can this guy stop yapping?
Hello, boss na
What?
to. We finna die. We're doomed.
We're gonna fight the thing.
We're gonna fight the thing?
I guess.
Yes, I think. I don't know.
I guess
Okay,
so.
let's fight it! Let's go! Hoorah!
Yucks, what is this?
Oh,
Ah.
no, 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 no.
Ay,
Let's go!
natay sword by it.
We have to find the ano. Oh my god, I feel so tangible right now.
Oh my god, we in Demon Slayer.
Okay, let's go! Katabi to, kuhan, katabi to.
What the fuck?
Sigma.
What the fuck?
You
Oh,
heard
is that it?
You all heard that?
Is that it?
No, it's not that, girl.
I'm gonna kill it. This must be my
We have to
ancestors
find
that
the heart.
she was talking
Para
about.
dili na siya mukuan.
Kani?
Ngi,
Kill
kato
it!
man ang mga-
Kill it!
Kato man ang mga kuha na to na encounter.
Oo. Tino, oh shit.
They're trying to kill us. Like what the heck is their problem?
Okay, we have to destroy 3 Summer's hearts.
Find 3 of Samasart and sure.
Sama-sama clubs.
Yawa.
Feel like go doon na punta ni or something.
Yep. Girl, stop waving your sword at me.
Hey, yo! I'm right behind you guys. Oh my god. Scary.
There's like two ways.
Dra.
Where?
Oh shit, I found her. Oh my god, run!
Ay, hala girl, what the?
Run!
Oh my lord, oh my Jesus, just guys, ako ninyo! Yan, mga ninyo, mga betrayer.
I hate y'all. Why you keep doing
I
this
hate
to me, huh?
Oakland.
Unsa man to, mura mo tuglawa nga dili.
Kakita untong heart.
Okay, malakin ako guys.
Pantay bitaw, ha?
We gonna find that house heart.
Ew.
Yucks. Yeah, I found the heart.
Yeah, destroy it.
Like, gamit kong sword or something.
Yes, girl.
Yeah, get
That's the
some
purpose.
word.
Ako rin, isa din makaya bayit. Dugay kayo. Mana.
Nice.
One heart is down.
I heard the slashing were loud and clear.
Now we
Ngita,
need to look for
uy.
2 hearts. Ay, Jesus.
We know
Ay,
na
Lord,
funny
Lord.
hearts.
Run!
Oh,
run,
shit.
Girl, run!
Where should I?
Girl, run! I said,
Girl, run! You keep Uy, laida, uy. And I
Oh
died.
my-
I hate you so
Namatay ka?
bad.
Namatay ka?
Yes!
O, saan paggamit sa sword? Girl! Ay,
Tusluka,
ara.
tusluka. One tap it. Nice.
Oh,
Okay.
isa na lang ka heart.
Uy, ako may mon yung sacrificial, uy.
Di ba yung sacrificial?
Pwede po.
Deserve.
Sige na huwag kamatay. Ay, tunay.
Day, paspas kay tumudagan day. Ay, dili makayagdagan.
Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck me harder, daddy. Fuck me harder, 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 fuck me harder. Shit. Ah, fuck, 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 fuck. Shit, it's dead.
Girl. What the hell?
Grabe ha. Adto na ko dadto. Kuan siya ka ng dead end siya. Grabe siya pagkamaras jud.
Gi-cornered ka niya day.
Kasapot.
Isn't that so dreamy?
Yeah,
Type ka niya, day.
She's my sip to my classroom. Siya ako ang pet peeve. Basit pet
Oh
peeve mo
no,
ko.
oh no.
I found the last heart, y'all.
Oh hell no. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
I found, nakita na akong last heart.
Yep.
Tara, akong yata.
Go, kill it.
I'm trying.
Asya, uy.
I'm trying, hold. Hold on.
Day, padulong sa imo, day.
Stop, girl. No, don't scare me. Dugay kayo mo na.
I'm not kidding. Padulong sa imo area. Pagpatay na ako.
Ano, dugaya, mamatay aning heart. Uy. Dili ni makayag ako rin isa. Diri. Diri, girl. Dio, dali.
Diri.
Pangi ko, Dio.
Let's go.
Ah,
Oh yeah.
ano?
Nanaming Dio diri sa last heart.
Nice.
Girl, kailan mo layo man ka girl? Dili man ka paduol sa heart. Molayo ka sa heart.
Ciao, anyway.
Kung kira to bata ko.
Kulong sa mani.
Let's kill it.
Bro.
Yeah. Shing.
It's me.
Oh my
Dion,
god.
the barbarian. A barbarian, the fucker.
I'm a paladin. I'm a paladin.
Dion. Yes. Bitch.
Ay,
Bitch.
Jesus.
Oh! Awa ka sa bagi ko!
Uy, dili na ba ito pwede
Bitch, I
magduman
take
o
it to
kamatay?
Let's go! Let's kill it! Oh, fuck you, bitch. Come on. Kill it. I'll gaslight his head.
Oh my god.
Dili ta pwede magdungan o kamatay. Kay
Fuck.
mapili ta.
Kamatyo nun ako guys, I'm not kidding dude.
Oh shit. I can't move! This thing
Kasi
got me!
namatay.
Dili, wala ka kalihok, Elik, eh, dahilan na ay cobwebs.
Oh my
Fuck.
god. That's so unfair.
Gitaihan.
Ew.
Fuck you.
Oh.
I think someone died.
Yeah, me,
Me,
my
I died.
Yo,
That's my body.
Dili ta magdungan o kamatay yo, okay. Kung walay survivor, walay mabuhi. Ug balik. Putek, lihukan kayo.
If someone distract her, then ako siyang lubot.
Sa lubot na ko eh.
Food!
Oh my Jesus.
Dion is food! Come here! Dion is food! Lucky food! It's yummy food! Come here!
Ay, finaday.
Tama!
Girl!
Motherfucker! Oh shit! Oh shit! Not good!
Ay, Jesus.
Oh.
Yo. Lubot o na.
Wag, kaya mamatay.
Kill it!
That's canon.
Gahi kay siya.
Kill it!
Oh my god, nilagpot.
Kill it! Kill it!
Girl, nakuhan ka sa cobweb. Masalo.
Kill it! Kill the legs! Kill the legs first! Damot mo!
Atras mo guys. Atras
Damot
mo.
ka!
Atras
No,
mo.
you're getting clapped! You're
Atras mo
getting
guys.
clapped!
Atras mo.
You're getting clapped, girl! Oh fuck! You're getting clapped! So bad! You're getting clapped so bad!
Ay,
Fuck!
hala. Hala, paspas na kayo siya. Uy, Jesus.
You're getting clapped so bad, girl!
Oh my god! I died.
Hala, girl. Paspasa, uy.
Heal! Healing bugs! May healing bugs! May healing bugs!
Ay, oh.
Nahi ka ng mga butterfly na mo heal!
Yeah.
I didn't notice that.
Pati ba yun? Di.
Oh, sige, sige, sige. Ay, Lord.
Oh my god!
Nana,
Come on, I'm gonna clap you!
Oh my god. Girl, ikapila makanego sa kuan, kabweb.
Katulo! Chiket!
Ay, Lord.
Don't feel like a good girl.
Oh!
Ay, Jesus.
Ayun! Ay! Ay!
Someone clap her, someone clap her.
She wants back. Oh!
Oh,
Let's
you
go!
got me.
Let's keep stroking it! Keep stroking it, guys! It will eventually cool out!
Kapit na.
Keep stroking it! Keep stroking it! It is kawak!
Hit the bat, hit the bat. Ay, shit. Ay, Lord. Ako'y giyon na, Lord.
Come here, hit the ball! Oh fuck! Ah!
Girl!
Ako rin!
Are you okay?
No! Oh, she getting
Okay
clapped
lang mo,
for
guys.
real, girl!
Okay,
She
okay,
getting
clap,
clapped for
clap,
real!
clap,
She getting
Bago, bago.
No!
Damot! Ako giuna!
Ay, Lord. Wala, nilupad ming duha. Nabuhay na mo?
Where the bug
You're
at?
getting clapped for real, girl! Fuck!
Ah, I'm dead.
Let's see,
Are you
vagina!
agree, Darlene?
Girl! You're getting clapped, girl!
Hapit na, hapit na.
You're getting clapped!
Ay, Lord.
I'm tanking it like a pro!
Hapit na, hapit na. Ay, Jesus.
Heal, motherfucker!
I can't move. I can't move.
Oh shit! Finally! Save your parents or kill Sama?
Kill sama.
Kill Sama!
Kill sama.
Kill Sama.
I guess. Ay, save your parents, Matali.
Kill Sama! We don't
Okay, go.
care about our parents! They don't deserve us!
Okay, okay.
They didn't support They didn't support us! They didn't support us! Come on, let's kill it. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. Let's kill it.
What's gonna happen?
Fool. Shit.
What's that?
Ew. Disgusting.
Rich, gikaon siya. You feed your ancestors and save your parents. As the next day went by, you awakened with an ancient heart. You bolted downstairs and greeted your parents, who didn't seem to have any memories of the incident.
Everything seems
Everything
normal.
seems to
At least for
for
now.
let's
Uh,
go. Let's go.
Ay,
End of book.
yay!
Book 2.
Naman nata sa bookwan.
book
Finally.
2.